How to do a Scottish accent in 6 steps. Now, first of all, you've got to learn how to roll your R's. Alright, don't say alright. Say alright mate. Secondly, stop saying do, no or go. Instead, say day, gay and nay. Or cheers mate. Aye, nae bother. And yes, stop saying yes, say aye instead. Now watch this clip and listen very carefully.
I like the fish. So good.
You like the what?
Fish.
Oh, fish!
Fish.
No.
That's right, you heard it right. You don't say fish. Forget about the A sound. Fish. And another very distinct feature of Scottish English is the pronunciation of the ow diphthong, which becomes O in Scottish English. So instead of saying about, out or cow, go about, out and coo. Get out my house, you cow. Another diphthong that is pronounced differently from an English accent is I. You don't say I. You're not English. You gotta say I instead. So instead of saying like or right, you say like or right. You gotta try it, mate. Just try it. And forget about the L sound. It's always dark L. Light, like, love. And last but not least, for today's lesson, the intonation. We gotta gay up at the end of sentences. Like we're always asking a question, even though we're not asking a question. That's just how it is, mate. Now get out there and practice. Also, let me know in the comments down below what other features you would like to add.